How to find Temu coupon codes. Now in order to find coupon codes for Temu, you just simply need to open your browser and then search for coupon follow. Then this first link from couponfollow.com will appear, simply open it. You can also use other sources that could provide you coupon codes if you trust any other website. In my case, I'm using this one. Then after coming to this website, tap to search button. And in the search tab, you just simply need to search for Temu or Temu, whatever you call it, and this first option of Temu.com will appear. Open that, and after opening it, you will get to see a bunch of Temu coupon codes, discount codes or promo codes, whatever you call it. It's mostly same thing. Now in here, you just simply need to scroll down and look for the best coupon code that you can get from here, and you can very easily find Temu coupon codes this way. I hope this video have been informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.